Hello everyone, thank you for visiting my channel on YouTube. So today I'm going to share you about my earnings in Shutterstock. So actually I started in Shutterstock for selling my travel photos, food photos and even my wedding photography photos online about 9 months ago. It's quite interesting and challenging to sell our photos online. So no matter what niche you love in photography, so you can sell any photos in Shutterstock. For the minimum earning for the Shutterstock for every single download is 25 cents. So it is a little bit, it's really small money. But imagine if you can have a download for 100 or 1,000 download per day or every single month. That's going to be a big dollars on your pocket. So after this, I'm going to jump to my computers, and for this 9 months, I earned $35. So $35 is small money, but don't think about the money, but think about the mindset that you can always sell your photos online. No matter what you love for, it is traveling, it is food, it is transportation, it is airlines or trains or hotels or landscape. So you always can sell your photos online. So after this, I'm going to jump to my computer and see what I got in my Shutterstock account. And today, this $35 already sent to my PayPal account. So I've been so excited. Maybe this afternoon I'm going to withdraw it to my bank account in Indonesia. So I hope you can get inspiration from this video right now. For this past 9 months, I have 98 downloads, which is earned me about 36.90 cents dollars. But just a couple of days ago, Shutterstock closed my account on September, so I got about $25 something. This is the rest for today is 5th October, so I already sold about 6 photographs right now. And the amazing things about Shutterstock is you can get a payout with the minimum threshold, so it is only 35 bucks. So when you have an earning reach $35, so you can request the withdrawal to your PayPal account. So there's gonna be email that Shutterstock will send you when you reach the threshold for $35. Actually, you can set the threshold for $100, $500, $1,000. It depends on you. But because this is my first time, I want to set this is for the minimum payout. So I set $35. So I got today 35.9 cents dollars. And today I already checked my PayPal account. So yeah, this is my PayPal account. So I received about Shutterstock images CV payment received. It is 35.9 cents, and the total will be $35 something in my PayPal account. So all you need to do if you want to sell your photos online is read the description below. So I already put some links that you can sign up as contributors. You also can see my portfolio. I take in a lot of photos in travel photography for sure. That's my primary business in wedding photography. But since I travel around the world to document like pre-wedding, weddings, I travel to Maldives, Hong Kong, Singapore, Bali, Sri Lanka for weddings. I shoot a lot of pictures after I'm doing the photo shoot. So I go to the small cafe. I take the bread, the soup, the drinks, the food and beverage or something. And I also shoot the street photography in the city where I belong to. So I'm gonna show you my account, my portfolio in Shutterstock. So hold on a second. Yes, this is gonna be my photos in Shutterstock. So look at this. I got this picture in 2012. It is about 6 years ago, but I still can earn money by through this photo by selling it online. Down here you can see my wedding, my travel photos, my cityscape photos. Oh, Shutterstock is undergoing scheduled maintenance, so you can see my portfolio as well. It doesn't matter, but you always can sell your photos online. There are a lot of microstock company to sell your photos online, like Getty Image, 123RF, Dreamstime, or iStock Photo. But what I love about Shutterstock is the threshold is so minimum, so it's only $35. A couple months ago, I also published a video about my first 25 cents in Shutterstock. That's gonna be my inspirational video, so you can also do the same thing for like me by selling your travel photos online. And today, that was an amazing day because I earned my $35 from Shutterstock. So let's sell your photos online. It's gonna be a huge business for your next future. So thank you for watching me on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, and I will share a lot of things about my photography journey, my photography business, especially in my wedding photography business. So see you around, guys.